welcome back to my channel once again, and today we're gonna do planting petunia using the cuttings. So I have here my pinky petunia. You can see the florist of it. It's very nice, red, and this one is, I forgot, I think it's purple. I got here white petunia, and the beautiful one, the purple, and the dark purple petunia. And here, I don't know what, a dark pink. It's really nice, and the light pink, which is very beautiful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take stems from it, so we could plant them using cuttings. First, we're gonna choose the young stem from it. This will be fine. Just like that. Get more. So we can propagate them. Young one. This is white. This is purple. Next is we're gonna cut the leaves. Just remove it carefully. You can use your fingers, your hands, or you can use scissors. We have here the soil that's mixed with cocoa fiber and some other minerals and compost soil for good drainage and for the soil to remain it's moist. All you need to do is you have to water them first. Okay. Now I use this rooting gel or whatever it is. Rooting hormone gel, or you can use the rooting hormone powder. Or nothing at all. This is just optional so that the roots of its stems will grow fast. Let's plant 2 each. Just put them in a shady part, and once they're stable, they have their own roots already, you can transplant them to a bigger pots. thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like this, and you can start making your own petunia florist.